Oklahoma's strict abortion laws are back in the spotlight again after the state attorney general handed down an opinion and guidance for law enforcement.
Among them, he stressed women cannot be punished for getting an abortion. As News 4's Capitol Bureau Chief Kaylee Olivas found out today, the development could spark even more abortion laws in the future. Kaylee?
Oh yeah, Kevin. One of the lawmakers who requested the state attorney general's legal opinion says he plans on introducing a bill this next session that would penalize the individual facilitating a chemical abortion. He doesn't plan on introducing anything as of now that would go after the mother.
We're going to be at risk for being charged with criminal penalties and 10 years in prison for giving standard medical care to our patients. So,
since Roe v. Wade was overturned last year, a concern of jail time and fines have followed doctors. State Senator Nathan Dahm says all he wants to do is protect unborn lives and their mothers. So he, along with 5 other Republican legislators, asked the state attorney general for clarification on abortion laws. Their burning question: quote, does Oklahoma law make it a punishable crime for a pregnant woman to solicit, perform, or self-induce an abortion to terminate her pregnancy intentionally? The AG giving a firm no, saying as long as the abortion is reasonable, adding doctors are able to assist with and perform abortions if the mother's life is in danger.
he does indicate that we do not have to wait until a woman has overwhelming infection or is so much bleeding that we're concerned that we can't can't adequately treat her at that point. I had liked and felt more encouraged by the Supreme Court language that specifically stated that women do not have to be in danger.
The AG's opinion makes clear abortion in Oklahoma is still illegal unless there is an imminent threat. Senator Dahm was unavailable for an interview Wednesday, but says while he agrees with portions of the AG's opinion, he claims it's conflicting. His reason for requesting the legal opinion revolved around chemical abortions, aka morning after pills or Plan B. But he essentially says his questions were left unanswered, which now means looking for further clarification during the next legislative session.
We all need to be on the same page, and we all need to understand this new guidance. So it looks promising, and I'm hoping that this will allow us to take good care of our patients.
The Center for Reproductive Rights' attorney tells me, quote, we are glad that the AG has affirmed what we already knew, that people who self-manage their abortion should not be subject to criminalization under Oklahoma law.